Managing your finances well doesn't mean na magkukuripot ka na sa sarili mo. Actually, yung late gratification, hindi siya palaging nag-work and most of the time, hindi talaga siya gumagana. And I'm here to prove to you that it's actually possible to have a good relationship with money while still living your best life. Hi, I'm Theo. I'm the founder of Savio, your money mindset AI coach. So ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo na I'm actually committing personally sa mga goals ko for 2026 na nilagay natin sa Savio app. So here makikita nyo, ito na yung Savio app natin at meron tayong 4 goals dito. Makikita nyo yung very first one, which is yung Rolex natin. And I plan to achieve that by May 2 before my birthday and we already have 200,000 saved up. So ang goal natin for that is 900,000. So when I created this goal sa Savio app, nilagay niya na rin yung projected completion date natin and magkano yung kailangan nating ihulog every month. So pwede nating edit yung goal and you can create more goals. So meron din tayong emergency fund na pinag-iipunan natin na nasa Maya and nasa GoTime. Pero let's focus on this Rolex Datejust 41 Blue. So that's just one of many goals I have for next year. And alam nyo ba, for 10 years na nag-work ako as a software engineer, never did it cross my mind na magiging interested ako sa relo. And actually, I started collecting watches since last year, pero mostly mga Seiko. Pero I have 2 pa lang naman. Abangan nyo next year. Kailangan ma-achieve natin yung goal natin na yun. Your goal doesn't need to be a Rolex. It doesn't have to be expensive. What you need to do is dapat sobrang linaw ng goals. And dapat malinaw din yung rules mo sa sarili mo. Sa Savio, pag ginamit mo siya, hindi lang dapat about doon sa magkano yung natira. Achieving a goal, it should be very intentional. May gusto ka talagang baguhin at gagawin mo lahat para ma-achieve yung goal na yun. And soon, yan pa yung mga i-release naming changes dun sa app. Kasi we really want it to be goal-based. We want it to be goal-centric. We want to help you achieve your goals. That when you're actually using it every single day, focus ka dun sa goal mo. You can simply ask Savio. Chat with him. Talk to him. And binuo talaga namin si Savio para meron kang money mindset coach. Na again, hindi mo kailangan tipirin yung sarili mo para ma-achieve yung goal mo. Kailangan mo lang ng clear na plano at clear na rules. And of course, clear na money mindset. Na kung gusto mo ng masarap na buhay ngayon, dapat marunong ka rin talaga magplano para sa future. So, kung gusto mong gumastos ng walang guilt, gusto mong mag-ipon ng may purpose, or kung gusto mo lang magkaroon ng mas healthy na relationship with money, go ahead and follow me. I'll show you my journey. Yung mga wins, even yung mga losses, yung mga delay natin sa goals, yung mga temptation, kung nabubudol na tayo, at kung ano-ano pa. At lahat yon makakasama natin si Savio. And next year, sabay-sabay natin i-celebrate kung mabili ko na yung Rolex. At kung wala kang access sa closed beta, don't worry kasi mag-open beta test na kami this coming 2nd week or 3rd week of January para magkaroon ka na ng access. Punta ka lang sa www.meetsavio.com. Yun lang. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!